In this video, I will show you how to make a free logo with this website. All you need to do is to go to this website and then type here your company name. Let's say AdsTraca. Now you can choose your industry, okay? So I say AdsTraca, I want something for business. And now press this button. And now you can see they make a nice logo for me to choose from. You can see here how many pages you have. And let's say I want to use this logo, or maybe this, okay? I want to use this logo. I press select. Just wait for a few seconds. And you can see here two buttons, customize and looks perfect. And down you can see some examples how it looks in your website, on the phone, on business cards, on different things, okay? Even mock-ups with different things, merchandise, t-shirt, caps, so all here. But you can see here how I say two options, looks perfect and customize. If you press customize, you go here, and here what you can do, you can choose you can change the logo, and you can select one of these and change the colors, okay? So let's say with purple, or with yellow, pink one, and also you can change separate like this, okay? So you can do however you want. Same with the text, you can change the font, the size, background and everything here, okay? You can put the shadows, so you can customize yourself. When you finish, just press download and you can register and save in your account. I hope you find useful this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.